We're wicked, man. We're coming to the fucking song. How's that? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's busy. Here's Luke, what are you up to? Oh, by the way, Luke's new to us. Well, he's not new to us, we've known him quite a while, but Luke's just joined us, working in dispatch and packing. Looks like you're seeing goods in. What we got?
All the 034 bits.
034 order. Sexy 034 order just coming from the States. We've had quite a few orders of them recently and just put in a big order. So excited to see that coming in a few weeks. What have we got? Products coming in, some KW, some racing. Oh no, this is products going out. Products coming in, 3 boxes of Powerflex and Wagner. And of course, parcels going out the door. They're busy in stores, really busy. Hasn't stopped since Christmas, hasn't stopped all year actually. What's going on in the workshop? Well, we've got an S3, we've got an S4, we've got a Polo GTI, and I believe that's A3 up the end there. Let's see what's going on. That's what's going on. DSG clutches. So this car, I believe, is running about 520 horsepower. John?
Yeah.
Clutches?
Yeah, worn out, so had them replaced, and then we'll calibrate them, and we'll be good to go.
Nice. So that's box gone back in, obviously.
Yeah,
that's the old clutch on there.
New clutches in.
Brilliant. Make the customer happy.
Yeah.
Come through, don't trip on anything, Habib. Well, what's going on here, Al?
Just preparing some coolant mix for this.
What have we done?
We've got a thermostat and water.
S4, thermostat, water pump.
Yeah.
Is that all the car's in for? Just
Yeah, it came in with an overheating problem.
brilliant. Fantastic. So we've got a Polo here, Polo GTI. It looks like we're having a set of racing line springs. Is that what we're doing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This on this side snap.
Which is?
This coil spring is snapped. So
There we go.
rather than replacing with genuine, he's just gone for obviously lowering.
So yeah, well, in on the shelf as always. Being the racing line distributor, we carry a lot of stock on the shelf. Interim service, Greg. Straightforward, no problems, no issues. Fantastic. We've got a vehicle over there in for diagnostics and a bit of a misfire issue. SQ7 over there, which, what's the SQ7 for? Is that an engine? Needs a strip down check. Yeah, so potential engine issue, but we need to do a little bit more diagnostic. Right, come this way. You might have seen it before on my own Facebook page and maybe a little bit on Awesome. Let's go and have a sneaky look at the building next door. What's going on in there? Who knows? You gotta love the winter. I hate the rain. Right. So. Woohoo! Here we are. So, work starts hopefully next week. Automotive rights now for obviously the unit. What are we gonna do? Woo! Bit more wheel spin, bit more donuts in here maybe with Habib later. Wow, all this is coming out. We're gonna basically take the roof off the building. New roof, new front, nice new front, hopefully a sort of glass front so that we're able to bring cars. We'll put the RS6 in, possibly a new car that we're getting very shortly. We'll go into there. Nice new showroom, nice new offices. We're gonna bit more of a special feature for the customers, but I'm not going to reveal that at the moment. Obviously, we've got a long way to go. This is going to probably be a 6 to 10 month project. So we literally have to knock out the whole of this building, and then we need to get somebody in to design exactly what's going to happen. It's going to be a bigger showroom reception area. It's going to be bigger and better offices. The whole of the floor is going to be nice and clean, nicely done. And of course, we're going to, what's that over here? Let's go and have a quick look. It's a Dynajet. It's a 4-wheel drive linked Dynajet. I can't keep the staff out of here, even though they're just crate boxes at the moment. But this turned up a couple of days ago. We got to put this in the floor. We got to find a place for it. We're going to build a cell. It's going to be bloody epic, is what it's going to be, and I can't wait to get it done. So, Dynajet linked, ready to go. We're going to probably put about, I think, probably about 6 ramps in here. We do have next door where we already have 8 ramps, so it's going to be quite a big entity. But we are moving Awesome completely into this building, into a bespoke new building, reception, bigger stores, probably slightly smaller workshop that you won't notice, but just probably less ramps, because obviously we are going to, somewhere in here, this will come out and we'll have a dyno cell put in. But of course, we still have next door. We are still not decided as to what will happen. It's the same size building as this next door. Possibly it will become the sister company to Awesome, which is Performance M, our BMW. But as we go forward, obviously we will use that. There's a door there, as you can see, which links straight into next door. So we'll be able to have that up and literally be able to drive through or wander through without having to keep the roller shutters open. So that is what is in store for us this year. We're going to get to grips with it next year. Plus, by the way, if you haven't seen it, this is our Vagbrem Technic trailer. We're starting to work on that. This is, you might have seen it before at some of the shows, this is the old Scorpion trailer that I brought from Sean. We've wrapped it, and now we've just got to get the steps out and get this organised, ready, hopefully, if we can do any shows this year. You already see there's the APR truck behind us. Yeah, and that's about it. Really excited about what we're going to do. All the staff are super excited. Just need to get it happening. So we're going to keep you updated as the roof comes off, as the dyno gets set out, and the plans, we'll put them up as soon as possible. But I hope you stay tuned, and we'll speak to you soon. Don't forget to subscribe below. Thank you very much.